Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my all the new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me. Oh yes, for supporting your girl. I really appreciate that, guys. Yes, please continue to support your girl by sharing, liking, and also commenting on my video to motivate me to do more videos. In today's video, I'm going to make a shower gel. Yes, whitening shower gel. And this shower gel can give you 3 shades. Guys, please. Yes, this shower gel can give you 3 shades. So do it and come back and testify with it. Please, guys, this video is a tutorial video. So take your pen and your paper. Write everything at the end of this video, then you do it. Thank you. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Let's start to make this shower gel. This shower gel is a whitening shower gel, guys. Yes, and we'll be needing nano half cast shower gel. We'll be needing 500 ml of our nano half cast shower gel. This shower gel glows and whitens the skin, so we'll be needing 500. Our next shower gel will be our Gluta C and G body wash. Gluta C and G body wash. This shower gel also contains glutathione, vitamin B3, which is very good for the skin. Yes, guys, we can use only one shower gel in this promixing. Please, you can use only one. We are using 500 as well, 500 ml as well. And our last shower gel that we'll be needing is our pure Egyptian magic whitening half cast shower gel. So we'll be needing 500 as well, 500 ml as well. So when you combine these 3 shower gel, it will be 1.5 kg shower gel. This is what we are going to premix. 1.5 kg shower gel. Yes, guys, please take note. And our powders, I'll be needing Epsom salt. Epsom salt is very good. It will exfoliate the skin. It clears all the dirt. You'll be needing 30 grams or 30 ml of our Epsom salt. Our next ingredient will be our sugar. Yes, sugar also serves as exfoliating, which contains lactic acid. So it's very good. It will exfoliate the skin, giving it more brighter skin. Yes, guys, we'll be needing 30 ml as well. 30 ml of our sugar. Our serums, which is concentrate, is Gluta capsule. Gluta capsule, which contains glutathione powder. So guys, we'll be needing 30 ml of our Gluta capsule. 30 ml of our Gluta capsule. Please, we'll be needing only 30 ml. This one is a concentrate, so we'll be needing only 30 ml of our Gluta capsule. It contains glutathione, guys. Yes. If you have watched my video to this part and you have not subscribed to my channel, please be part of our family. Here we talk about skincare. Our next ingredient is our Gluta C concentrated serum. This one is an intensive whitening serum. We'll be needing 2 bottles. Yes, yellow pawpaw serum is very nice. It glows, it whitens, it gives you that yellowish tone. But Gluta C concentrate contains 2. Either you use the papaya or the yellow one. Please, guys, use any of it. What one that you wish for. And our next ingredient is our citroclear serum. Citroclear serum also contains lemon, yes, which clears dark spots. We'll be needing 2 bottles of our citroclear serum. Please subscribe to my channel, be part of our family. And our next ingredient is our kojic acid serum. Kojic acid serum is also very good serum, which clears hyperpigmentation, lightens the skin, and glows the skin. Yes, we'll be needing 2 bottles. And our last serum, which is the glutathione whitening serum. Glutathione whitening serum is our last serum. We'll be needing only 1. All my serums that I've been using contains glutathione. So guys, remember to glow your skin. Yes. And our powder, which is powerful but mighty, we'll be needing 2 containers of our miracle powder. Add it to the shower gel, then you are way to go. Let me show you how to do it. Get a clean sanitized bowl. Scoop all the 500 ml of our nano, our Egyptian, and also Gluta C and G body wash into it. After that, add the sugar and the Epsom salt. After everything, add all the serums and mix it very well. Please guys, mix it very well. Let all the serums and everything incorporate with it. Then you are way to go. Use it morning and night and bring your testimony. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Remember to be part of our family. Here we talk more about skincare. God bless you. Bye bye.